How to close apps on iPhone 15 and 15 Pro. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with tutorial. First of all you have to do is swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle until you see the app switcher or your recently used apps available there. Now, once you do so, slide your finger left or right to browse open apps. Now, in order to close them, swipe up with your finger on the app you want to close. Simply swipe up. If you want to close two apps together, then you can also use two fingers to swipe your app in order to close them. You can use two of your fingers for two of the opened apps and slide it up. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.